Oh, there we go. Yeah, US bank holiday over here. Do I sound echoey? Marius, Rad, what up, my dudes? Just give me 1 second over here. Let's have a look. Let's have a... No, bro, sounds good. Dope. What's up, Energy? Good to see you, brother. I love the music so much. Okay, nice. Awesome. All right, sorry, guys. I've got a bit of a different setup here on my end, so I'm just making sure everything looks normal. Greetings from Finland. Oh, amazing. Greeting from Australia. 1 second. Okay, let's do a bit of analysis over here. Bro, the head and shoulders pattern on the 1 hour. These are giving me OCD. All right. Nice. Very nice. You stay there. All right, that light can just stay there somehow. Okay, let's do a bit of analysis. Let's do a bit of analysis over here. We'll start on the daily, just quickly. Don't need to go too crazy with it. I'll just move this out of the way. Type she. What's up, my dude? What's up? John, what up, bro? All right, so daily looks like this. Left a wick, pushing back up. I know the Asia session pushed down initially. We had like some impulsive move, like early in the Asia sesh, and it traded for life. What up? And then it's kind of rejected, slowly working its way back up. Cool. This is a 4 hourly, 1 hourly, 30 minute, 15. So I've got my zone here, as you can see, as a buy above zone, right? Same old story. I'll actually put another zone down here. Let me drag this up. Sells below zone. Check. My sell below zone will be here. So we've got this little zone right here. If I get a candle closure outside one of these zones, I'll be looking to take a trade over here, you guys. Unbelievable stuff. Gonna be looking to take a trade over here. Was anyone on stream yesterday? I didn't get to catch that buy. My freaking Ninja Trader didn't execute the trade, but some of you guys got it. Can I send it to your inbox? You can join the Discord if you want to bring something up there. Join the Discord if you got a bit of analysis. I'll bring it up over here in the chat. I'll bring it up over here in the Discord. YouTube live is better than TikTok. Yeah, you guys on TikTok. I'm on YouTube right now as well. It's way better screen, full screen type shit. Full screen. How to join? In my bio there on TikTok, just click, there's a link, and it'll have my Discord there in my bio link. Right. And then just, yeah, join the Discord there. All right, I'm going to bring up Zoom and just do a bit of drawing to show you what I might be looking for over here. I'm not going to be honest. I think my my trading software is going to glitch again. You took an L there, did you, Kylin? That's all right. It's part of the game, right? I lose all the time. All of the time. But I'll tell you what I'm not losing on. I'm up like $800 on my funded account. But I have to get 3 days of consistent profits before I'm able to withdraw. Man, they stack the odds against you. How much do I need to start with trading? To start with trading, I wouldn't say you need any money. You need to learn it first. You need to learn it. You need to learn what trading even is before you even think about spending money. Oh, some people over here on YouTube now, they came over to YouTube from TikTok saying it's way better over there. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. Alright, so let's keep it pretty simple over here. What's your strategy? Just price action, brother. Breakout. Are you only looking for buyers? No, look. Oh, sorry, you can't see that. Let me show you something here. Sorry, you guys. I know I'm a bit scattered here. I've got like 3 screens. I've had to change up things because I smashed my screens the other night, but so it's not the best setup. I'll fix it for next stream. This is what I'm looking for, pretty much. But you can minimize on YouTube. Oh, Dilawar, hey brother. I'm good, man. I've because I smashed my screen yesterday. I usually have 2. I've got like 3 screens, so I'm a bit scattered here, but getting it together. And it's a pretty similar setup to yesterday, you guys. Got a pretty interesting zone just here. I'm waiting for some sort of breakout. Is Funded X a good prop? I think they're all good. I think they're all pretty good, to be honest. Hey, you guys, check this out. So this is my 100K challenge account here with NinjaTrader, and I tried to execute on it yesterday. Look at it now. Like, look at all the gaps. This is meant to be the 15-minute time frame on gold. It's gonna do me bad again. I don't know what to do about this. So I'm most likely just gonna have to kind of draw up a trade, and I don't want to take it on my funded account because I already took a good trade on it. Refresh it. How do you refresh it? You can't. It says reload all historic data. I've done that already, and I've closed it down and restarted it, and yeah, it's a real shame because I really want to obviously take a trade. Do they have a web version? Do they have... I don't know. Bro, how many profits for the month? I don't know, but I'm up 800 on my funded, 25K funded this week. Is it safe to buy? If your analysis says so, I'm gonna wait for a breakout over here. If I even can. I don't know if I can execute on my platform. That's the only issue. Sorry if you guys watching. I need to check something here real quick. Ninja Trader. Web platform. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Try logging into that. All right, you guys. Bear with me for a sec, please. I'm gonna close this real quick because I don't want anyone to see anything potentially important. But because my platform isn't working here on NinjaTrader, I'm gonna try and use the web one. Bear with me for a second over here. Oh my god, signature and everything. I think this is gonna be... Does anyone else use NinjaTrader at all? Top 10 worst streams. It's just a black screen. Launch. I might be onto something here. But then I've got to figure out my login and shit like that. No, you see trader. How can I start learning to trade? Do the Baby Pips course. Baby Pips course on the Google there. Okay, I'm into something here. Sorry guys, bear with me. I'm just figuring this shit out. Because I want to take a trade as well. I want to trade as well. Yeah, I don't know. It's going to be Mission because it's linked with a prop firm. No, I didn't contact the broker because I thought it was just a one-off thing, but it looks like it's happening again over here. Oops. Looks like it's happening again over here. Unfortunately. Yeah, look, Hustler over here on the YouTube chat heard that people have had this issue as well. Yeah, it's definitely not moving. It's been stuck like this. I wonder why. Anyway, I'll tell you guys, if anyone wants to take the trade, I'll tell you what I would be doing if I was going to execute. Essentially, it's pretty bloody simple, right? If this candle breaks up here and then I get a nice wick over here, I'll be looking to take, oh, well, I would be looking to take a buy. It very rarely will keep it that simple for us, but we'll see. Oh, really, Dillawa? Is that what it said? Infinite Soul, what up, my dude? Good to have you here, brother. 44 seconds here for this first 15 minute of the London session to close. Skull, what up, bro? Yep, so that's good. This first candle hasn't broken out. I wouldn't have liked that. Oh, okay, Webb, you threw some analysis over here in the Discord. Let's have a look, brother. Ah, okay, so you were looking at some sort of shoulder pattern. Left shoulder, right shoulder. Rejection zone. Have you already taken a sell over there? Let's drop back to the hour and see what it looks like. Yeah. The only thing with like things like Head and Shoulders and that, like you want it to be really clean. Like I don't know if that left side, if you, and yeah. And also when you're trying to predict the Head and Shoulders, like this right side is technically not a right shoulder yet until it starts moving down, right? So it's a bit of predictive kind of stuff. Nope, I'll take it later. Yeah, let's wait for a bit more confirmation over here because it could continue up. But I see where you're at. I see what you're at. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Please fund me $10. What up? Good to see you, my dude. Yeah, I feel like I'm in detention a little bit over here with my Ninja Trader not letting me trade over here. Benna, what up? My man. I was just saying, you guys on TikTok, I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. It's a way better screen over there. Big screen. Pat E, what up? Marshall. Morning, morning. I'm doing incredible. I'm a bit devastated. It looks like my NinjaTrader software isn't allowing me to take a trade over here. I might take some sort of demo trade. I don't know on what though. I don't know how to even do that on this trading view. No, there's not. There's my funded account, but I'm already up a good amount on that today, and I don't want to risk. Like I don't need to trade it again. If I'm up, I might as well just leave it. Morning to Kim. That's all. Yeah. And I don't really have time to kind of look into it. But what I'll do, I'll tell you exactly when I will take a trade. Like, let's just see how it plays out. If anyone wants to take it, go for it. I suppose I could do a small trade on my funded account. I suppose I could. Give me 1 sec. I'm going to blank this out real quick. And I'm going to bring up my funded account. I'm going to bring up my funded account. And I might take a trade with that. Just a small one. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Because I'm already up. I'm up like 210 or something for the day. Alright, dope. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. Then go to the Controller Center Tools menu, then Database, and click Update Instruments function. Okay, let me have a look at that. Where's the Tools menu? Yesterday we missed a big trade in London. I know. Well, you guys could have talked it. I didn't. I missed it. Mr. Funded. What's good, brother? Just killing the game, brother. Just killing the game. I'm trying to figure out how to fix my stupid thing. I'm trying to find that thing, Dilawar. Sorry, you guys. Bear with me. Yeah, I don't know where the tools section is there, Dilawar. Have you cleared the cache history data on NinjaTrader, bro? I've just tried. Yeah, I did the historical data thing. Restore chart properties. No, I don't know. Oh, here's tools. Fuck it, I'll figure it out after. I'll use my funded account today. Thanks, guys. Sorry for the, but yeah, it's all good. Thanks anyway. So, alright, let's lock in here. So, pretty basic shit over here. Pretty basic shit. Waiting for a breakout. Waiting for some sort of breakout. After breakout, we wait for it to close. Absolutely. Yep. Absolutely. We wait for the candle closure because otherwise, check this out, Mohammed. Check this out, Mohammed. Look at these candles. At one stage, they were strong, full candles moving up, but then they rejected. And I used to take positions there. Now I wait. Now I've learnt to wait for candle closures. Because sometimes it'll just keep going and you'll miss it. But over the 1,000 trades, waiting will make you more profitable than missing a trade. I'd rather miss a trade than lose a trade. Well, I think someone's thrown something here in the Discord over here. Or maybe not. If you guys, yeah, there's a Discord in my bio over there. And if you're on YouTube, it's in the chat, gang. Join the Discord over here. Got some good traders. Oh, is that you, Dilawar, in the chat there? I just sent you a... Let's have a look, Dilawar. That's all right. Thanks anyway, brother. I'm going to have to figure it out after. I'm going to have to, because it's a bit fiddly over here. There's a lot of shit. That's all right. I'll just use the funded one. All good, all good. Thanks anyway, brother. Do you know how to put a candle timer? I don't know. I'm in TradingView and it's just automatically there. It's automatically there. And that's it, brother. Yeah. So let's have a look at this. Today's basically just printed green candles on the 1 hourly. The previous 1 hour was kind of smaller body. 30-minute printed a bit of support. 15 is whatever. I would like a break above this zone. I actually don't mind a break below as well. What news have we got today, you guys? I know it's a bank holiday over there in the US. And no news. Cool. So that I know a lot of traders aren't trading today. There might be a lack of volume. I don't know. I feel like there's typically always volume, bank holiday or not, but we'll see. Yeah. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Mike. I like that your name is just Mike. That is the real shit. That is what's up. Hi, I'm lost. I haven't been trading in a very long time. Is gold on buy or... That's why you're lost, because you're jumping around accounts, asking people whether you should buy or sell, when you should be taking a step back and trying to understand the skill set of trading. Try to learn this game, Black Queen. Try to learn this game. It's a skill set. It's just like playing a game, like Fortnite. Like, it's going to take time, but you can actually get better. I'm actually trading a $20 account. That's all right. That's nothing to... That's sweet. Yeah, holiday today. Bisexual. So this candle's got 4 minutes over here. We'll see if it's get a bit of momentum and break out, and if not, that's all good as well. We've got time. We got time. Domenico, that exact sentence is banned in this chat. The market like a turtle. Yeah, but we could get some sort of volume in the London session. We'll see. Yeah, I'll try and talk to the support team if I can't figure out NinjaTrader for sure. I just have a feeling NinjaTrader that will try to blame the prop firm, and then the prop firm will blame the NinjaTrader. We'll see. We'll see. So we've got 3.5 minutes here. Trap King, no problem at all. I've just got a couple of zones here that I'm looking out for. Black Queen, did you not just hear my rant at you? I just gave you a full passionate rant. And then you immediately said the same thing. That is Brutal. 3 minutes here. Let's see. What's the 4 hour look like? Give me a reminder, Mr. Forey. It's a pretty key zone up here. Like if you look to the left here, there's you know, this kind of what I would believe is a left shoulder. Like, you know, earlier in last week before this head and shoulders kind of formed, I even said, hey, you guys. Oh no, sorry. I was looking at the higher time frame, like zooming right out. Last week I was like, in the Sunday session. So in the Discord, you guys, we do a Sunday session together. We jump on the Zoom and do like some sort of webinar. And I said to you guys, I was like, man, looks like we're forming some sort of head and shoulders. And that was when it was just up here. And it came down and kind of formed something like that. And remember, head and shoulders is essentially just higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Like the idea is it's just kind of changing structure there. But who knows, it could just move up from here anyway. I don't get too caught on that type of stuff, to be honest. Oh, look at this, Kylie in the chat. I used to ask people buy or sell. Fastest way I lost salary. Knowledge feels better. Yeah. But then again, you got to ask yourself, what are you even here for? Like, are you here because you're interested in learning the skill set of trading? And if not, I think there's much better places to try to flip your money. It's not on the charts, trust me. The charts is about skill and time and patience and effort and years. Well, you might as well just go to the casino if your intentions are, honestly. Oh, nice, Kylan. Yep, awesome. Good. Where's your stop loss zone? I don't know yet because I haven't had a breakout. But if it does break out, let's say this one breaks out and the next one wicks down because I need a wick. It'll probably be below that wick. Right, and then it flips. Take a buy around there. Happy days. Red or black? No, not in the YouTube chat. YouTube, I thought you were pure, man. You can't be hitting me with buys or sells in YouTube. Damn, I thought YouTube wasn't on TikTok's level. How can I live on TikTok like this? You need to download the desktop version of Live Studios for TikTok, and also you needed to do at least one live for an hour. So my first live, I was like, when I decided I wanted to start streaming like this, I was like, man, I need to do a live. I've never done a TikTok live. So then I just filmed a picture on my phone, on paper of me. It said, sorry, I need to do a live for an hour, and that's it. And but yeah, you just download the studios on your desktop. All right, so we're getting some sort of movement here. It's at 9 seconds left until this candle closure. It's also a 30-minute candle closure. If it closed with no top wick, it's a bit of a red flag. Which, oh, it rejected there at the last minute over there. Very nice. So that's a pretty healthy breakout there. It's pretty flippin' messy to the left-hand side, I'll be honest. I didn't really look to the left. Over here. There's a big wick there. There's range over here. Okay, let me think here. I'll be honest. I made a bit of a mistake here. I didn't really look to the left over here. And you've got to ask yourself, like, look at all these minor supports over here, you guys. Look at all these little zones here. 2, 3. There's a big wick to the left as well. And also, if you were to scroll all the way to the left, keep going, there's some key zones in the same area where we're trying to break out. See these zones here? I'm going to be honest, you guys. I'm going to sit on my hands for a minute over here. Although this is a beautiful little breakout here, I'll be honest. I didn't take into consideration how messy it was to the left over here. So I think this one's going to be best just to hang on for a minute, and we'll see what happens over here. I'm following you, my king. Oh, thank you, my queen. Daniel, you write on the chart in big words. No buy or no sell, I see on the chart. Yeah, I tried to yesterday, that's for sure. What software do you use? It's all the same. It's all inbuilt within the studio. Bro, is this Baby Kips course free? Yeah, it's free, brother. And that's the thing. When there's a bunch of shit to the left-hand side and it's really messy, like Dilawar just said in the chat here, we've got to remember it's a bank holiday, so there might be a bit of a decrease in volume in the market. And when you're looking for the chart, the candles to kind of push past messy areas, you need strong volume. And we could have some issues there. How long have you been holding trading gold? 2.5 years. Follow your plan. Yeah, exactly, John. No clear bias. Yeah. I think it's cleaner range here to the left. If we were to get it, like, check this out, you guys. Like, for real, this would actually be quite nice. And I'll show you why as well in the high time frames. Let's say it came down, did it whatever, and then it broke below here, like I have my text saying there. Next one wicked up. It's clean range to right about there. And that's like 30 pips, I'm pretty sure. I would like to take a sell about there. Because on the higher time frames, not the higher, but like the 1 hour and stuff like that, it looks like we're kind of losing a bit of momentum. Like that previous 1 hour closed small body. If this one were to reject down and flip red, that would be further confluence. But yeah, just say there was clean range on the left-hand side, I would have taken a buy around there. Like I'd be triggered into a buy now. It wicked down nicely. My stop loss would be below that current candle wick. And I would be anticipating to move up. But again, I decided to miss that one just because it's so messy here on the left. Like that's gross, right? We can all admit that's gross. When you take a buy, you want something like this. Like look how clean that is to the left. Smooth candle. Right? And this is not smooth at all. So although it could just push up through it, it's all about like probabilities. And I think based on that, the probabilities would be it's not the best trade. 1 hour looks good for buy. Nah, like I actually, like the candles, it's printed 5 in a row and then the previous 1 hour closed small body, right? That doesn't give me much confidence. Because you also got to ask yourself what's the probability of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green, red 1 hour candles printing without it needing a bit of support pullback. Sure, it can go, but yeah, I don't know. I think in terms of probabilities, I think that's a good one to stay out just for now. I am buying, said John Paul. Okay, nice. Yeah. If it breaks, where is it right? Yeah. No, honestly, guys, I wouldn't take a buy now until it moved up to like fucking here. Like that would literally be my next buy above zone. Dead set, you guys. This whole zone is a no trade zone for me. 100%. This is gross. Definitely a no trade zone for me. So I might actually just leave my buy above there. And I think for today, I'm only going to be looking at sells below that zone. And I think that's pretty smart, to be honest. You can see above all of this mess. Like, look at all this mess here. Above that, though, look at that. Clean range. Right? I want to take probability setups. Like, I want to take trades where I'm like, oh, yeah. No, I got probabilities in my favor on this one. Like, I want to be excited about the trade. And, if I were to trade in this zone, sure, it can go. Like right now, it's, you know, it's kind of moving. How many pips is that? Yeah. And, yeah. Scalp a few dollars. Yeah, but you could just lose a few dollars instead. That's the issue. Yeah, very wiki. It makes me feel weird even looking at this structure. Oh, what's up, Chris? What up, bro? Benjamin, personally, I like to try and flip my money by writing an extra zeros on it with a Sharpie and see if the bank will catch a deposit. Mate, if that works, let me know. That's right, hustling. That's right, my dude. It is gonna sell, yeah, we'll see. What's the 4 hour looking like? Like, it could push through all this shit. Like, hopefully it does push through. I'll be happy to take a buy above that zone up there. Yeah, I would have been happy to take a buy up there. I will be. But personally, I would like to see some sort of pullback and break below that range, and I'll take a sell. If I was in a buy, I would have taken partials by now. Move stops to break even around here. Yeah, that's about 14 pips. I would have taken partials there. 85% move stops to break even. I had a huge loss yesterday, but I ain't giving up. Refunded my account again today. I will win. Takun, I love that you're back at it, but if I could give you one piece of advice, I would say don't even come into today with the mindset of, yes, today I'll win. Today I'll beat your markets. Just come in and say, I'm just going to execute my playbook, my plan. Win or lose, that's it. Because if you come into it with a bit of a heightened state of like, no, today I'm going to beat these markets, like, it'll hurt twice as much, because the probabilities are maybe you won't, you know what I mean? And you want to do things that will minimize your emotion, because the worst state that a trader can ever enter is a state of tilt, right? Out of emotional, you know, a lack of control of your emotional state. And it can happen after, like, a big thing that can trigger it is if you have a preconceived idea of what should happen by the end of the day, which is typically, I should finish the day a winner. And it doesn't work like that, unfortunately, a lot of the time. That's why it's just, yeah, again, I just think personally it's the best to just come in and go, today I'm just going to execute my plan. I know what I'm looking for. If it doesn't win, if I lose the trade, then it is what it is. As long as I know that I stuck to my plan, I know over 1,000 trades, I should be profitable, or I will be profitable if I can just do that. Are you on Binance? No, I don't know what I'm on. Yeah, nice, John Paul. It's it's moving up quite nicely. I just made $50. Cool, good. Yeah, I sat out of that one, you guys. Yeah, I sat out of that one. But if some of you guys caught that, that's awesome. Oh, what up, History? Good to see you, brother. I'm good. I just basically kind of cancelled a buy over here. It did move up, but I stuck to my rules, and my rules say if it's really messy to the left-hand side, it's best to stay out. I'm looking at the baby pip stuff. Do you think it would be worth it to get the premium? No, not at all. Just do the free course. So I suggest for new traders just to do the free course over there, right? Do the free course if you have high ambitions for a long-term career in trading. Like, not because baby pips is going to change anything for you, but I don't even know how to put it. Like, it's going to teach you some of the basics of what charts even are, why the market moves, what is the financial market, but also it's a bit of discipline. Like, yeah, I can sit through this course. I can do this whole course. I am passionate about this, and I know if I think about it like this, you want to make more money than a surgeon, but you don't want to do any work. Like, a surgeon has to study for 10 years, and you want to make more money than them just by jumping on charts? No, you have to do some courses, learn what the financial markets are, this and that, you know what I mean? What do you think of prop firms? I think they're good. I missed the trade. Yeah, I missed the trade. Oh, I missed the trade intentionally, but yeah. I was in, just took off 80%. Excellent, John. Good stuff, bro. Let the runners run and move stops to break even, and you're all good now. I've tried joining your Discord and link, but I can't. Yeah, it's in my bio there. Just click accept invite, and it should be good. And if not, you just copy that link and paste it into like your browser or something like that. But it should work. I just follow you. Where can we get free course? Oh, do you mean the baby pips? Just type baby pips into Google. Oh, you took that buy as well? History? Yeah, nice. Yeah, I sat out of this one, you guys. Just wasn't happy with the range over there to the left. But yeah, if some of you guys caught that one, good stuff. Looks like it moved quite nicely. Look, Kylian said over here in the chat, Pat, open your browser. It doesn't work in Chrome. You guys have got a Discord link in my bio. You should join the gang over here. Some of the lads have dropped some analysis over here and stuff as well. So, you had a clear bias for Monday? Yeah, I had it just here. When I came onto the sesh, I set a break above here. This candle here broke above. Just before I was going to put my order in, I said, you know what, guys? I made a mistake. I can admit that I didn't pay enough attention to the left-hand side and notice that it's really messy range. I'm going to sit out of this one. It ticked all my boxes except that. So I sat out of that one. But some of you guys caught that, so that's good. Oh, interesting, Benjamin. You're a software engineer, been watching the field die. I'm assuming you mean because of AI. So you need a next move. Interesting. Yeah, okay. It's bank holiday. You trade? Yeah, I'm going to trade, bro. There's still volume. Like, look at this. This would have been an excellent trade. There's volume. I know a lot of traders aren't trading, but I think it looks like there's still volume over here. Well, Benjamin, I would say, brother, if you're really new, just work your way into it. Don't think that you can move into trading and in 6 months you can quit your job and be a full-time trader. Like, look at this as a long-term thing. It's going to take time. But that's awesome that you're doing that. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok. Tank followed me. Gang. Getting some sort of rejection over here. We've got 1 minute before this candle closure. I'll be interested. The 1 hour. I wonder if the 1 hour can flip all the way down. But it looks like it's holding pretty strong over here. But let me do a quick scan through some of these time frames. Pretty key zone that we're kind of reaching here now. Like if you have a look at this, you guys, you can see like there's one rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And we're kind of approaching that zone now. So it's a matter of like, will it have enough volume to punch through that now, or is it going to have a similar response? Oh, Corsicus, what up, my dude? Corsicus. Pretty strong closure over here. What up? AI and outsourcing. Yeah, awesome, Ben. Yeah, that's the mindset, man. Sounds good. Yeah, I used to be in digital design as well for the video game industry, and I kind of got out the right time as well. I was 3D designer, and it's just like, yeah, AI just swooped through so quick. Could start selling maybe. I know you're saying that, Lawrence, because it's moved up and it's closed a small wick, and you're like, well, maybe I could catch it on the way down. But there's no indication that it wants to sell right now. Are we able to continue bullish? Anything's possible if you believe. Thanks for the signal, bro. Made my daily target on this one. I'm out. Ah, incredible. Nice, Jay. Yeah, awesome, man. Yeah, like I said, I sat out of that one, you guys. But yeah, awesome. Is there still a possibility to put in buys? It depends what your strategy says. Mine says I can't do anything right now. There is something that I could see that I might be interested in, like, yeah. if the next candle were to do something like this, right, close like that, the next one wick up again and flip, I'd take a sell there. But I need this 15 to close with a wick up there and like test, because I know to the left that's kind of that rejection zone of those other candles as well. All right, there's one here. Let's keep moving across. There's one here and down here. So, and this is a setup that I typically could take at rejection zones, but it's, I just need the actual candles need to print pretty perfect. Do you go live every day? Yeah, every single day. Today's a bit of a quiet one, I feel like. Like I'll probably, if I don't get a setup soon, I might call it a day relatively soon, but it is bank holiday in the US and things like that. But yeah, every day, London session every day. Oh, Bog, what up, my G? I'm good. Nasty range on gold. Yeah, I was going to take a buy over here. It played out quite nice, which is cool, but I stuck to my rules, and my rules say stay out when it's too messy like that to the left. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Demon and JJ and Stanley and Nadeem. You guys on YouTube, if you're not subscribed, you got to subscribe, my bro. I'm nearly at 400 followers, 400 subscribers. Wild. It's wild for me, at least. All right, let's have a look. So this is the last 15 of the 1 hour. It's the last 15 of the 1 hour. Let's see what can happen over here. Wow, look at that wick on the daily. The daily looks nasty. Doesn't know where it wants to go. Yeah, the daily looks weird. Huh. Yeah, I'm a bit skeptical that we might push. I don't think we're going to push up too much further, to be honest. We'll see. I feel like this month was hard for price action traders. Always better days will come. It's normal. Yeah, it's been it's just been tricky. Yeah, there's been like weird volume, so it kind of pushes past confluences and things like that. But it's all right. I've had like probably one of my best months, but I can also see how it's been difficult. Can I send an analysis in the Discord? Yeah, 100%. Send it through the Discord over here. I'll bring it up. Be interested to see what you guys are looking at. Be interested to see what you guys are looking at over there. Yeah, Ninja Trader, man. Still looks the same, yep. I washed my account trading price action this month. Well, then you should probably go back to ICT, SMC, indicators, trading. That will work out way better. Way better. Well, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Ishi and Yosh. Do you think time to sell? I'll take a sell if you tell me why you think it's time to sell. Someone else said, should I buy? Eight minutes. So I'd like this one to have a bit of a push up and reject off. And then flip red. Oh wow, 11,000 likes on TikTok. I didn't even notice. That's wild. And 61 follows. Holy cow. Maybe there's no traders live streaming today because it's a bank holiday. Congrats on the results, brother. Ah, thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, it's been a good month. It's funny. So I had a video on TikTok that went like pretty, I wouldn't say viral, but it did pick up, and it was me passing my funded account. And like, although there was a lot of love, and I'm like, man, that's amazing. There was a lot of people like, you're gonna blow it tomorrow. Anyway, I'm up like 800 on it, and oh, it's actually a bit less than 800. But you have to have 3 days of profitability of $150 minimum. So I need one more day of $150 profit, and I can actually withdraw the money. That'll be pretty surreal. Okay, let's have a look at your analysis over here, no cap. Can I take sales onto my confirmation? I have marks. Looking for shorts in the area, fib. Okay, so you've drawn a fib from this area. 61.8 area. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. A lot of volume here. Don't rush it, you'll make it. Yeah, that's it, brother. No rushing. Right. Ab.Satasha. It depends what you want. What do you want to do? Do you want to... I don't know. What prop firm? Top one trader. Top one trader. I'll be honest, they do stitch you up, top one trader. Like, yeah, so get this, what are these odds? I have to get 10% on the account to get funded. 10%, that's a fucking lot. And then once you're funded, they lower your margin limit. So I can only do 0.40 lots on gold, and I only trade gold. So it's virtually impossible. I have to have like swing trades. And then you have to have 3 days of $150 profit in order to even get the withdrawal. And it's like, man, after 10% profit, and then the 3 day, it's like they really stack the odds against you, man. Wow, look at this volume. A lot of traders didn't trade today because they thought there was no volume. Nabil, what up? What up? What's the account size? 25K. But I'm working on a 100K account over here, but I'm having some issues with it, with technical issues. Sitting on my hands now, waiting to see. Yeah, let's just sit on our hands for a bit. Well, that's a lot. Yeah, they don't. Obviously, it's not in their best interest for you to actually get withdrawals, right? So this will be an hour closure as well. I like this clean range to the left, though. So let's see, this one's got just under 5 minutes to close, and we'll see how it closes. And I'll tell you what I'll be looking at after that. Yeah, Ab, I don't know how to help you. I don't know where you're at, what your intentions are. You know what I mean? If I knew more what your intentions are, sounds like you're looking to just kind of try to flip cash. I don't think trading's the best place for that. If you want to learn the skill set, you're going to have to start actually looking into it. Look into trading. Start Googling. Get on your Google ting. Yeah, I've got a Skype call with a broker after this stream as well, actually. I've got a Skype call with a broker. They want to do some sort of thing together. And I just got to make sure if I promote it that it actually benefits people. I don't know what type of benefits it could have. Wow, a lot of volume here. Damn. So I would have taken 80% up there and left runners to run. That would have been a juicy one. But it doesn't. I literally have no FOMO. I don't care at all. It's so crazy how much I don't care. Because yeah, my rules just said no. I'm trying to pass phase 2 right now. Ah, okay, awesome. Awesome, bro. Nearly there. Wow, a lot of volume over here, you guys. Wow. Just made 1,800 profit. Amazing, John Paul. Amazing. Yep, I remember you said you took a buy there. Yep, good on you guys for taking that one. At the moment, I don't focus on challenges. I have two 25k top ones, like you said, have been the same funded challenge for 7 months since I am a break-even stage. Okay, Bog, yep. The best thing about the break-even stage is that there's only 1 or 2 minor tweaks that you need to do in order to get to the next level, right? In order to break even. Wow. Who would have seen this coming, you guys? But I said in the Discord that we had a lack of volume during the Asia session. Typically when that happens, you'll get a nice push during London. Yeah, John, that's what I will typically do. I'll typically take partials like 85%, move stops to break even, and let the other 15% run. Why not? You know what I mean? And if it comes back and hits you break even, sweet. You already got 25% of your, 85% of your trade. And if the 15% runs for like 90 pips, you got more than you would have got otherwise. It's got a minute and a half for this closure. This is also a 30 and a 1 hour closure. And yeah, it just shot. Flipping a $2 account. Flip that $2 to $2.50. No, Bog, you know what it is. You know what it is, Bog. I truly believe every trader, unless you're only been in the game for like unless you've been in trading for under a year, then you don't know what it is. But if you've traded for a year plus and you're still losing trade, like you're kind of, let's say you're at the break even stage, you know why. You know exactly why. And if you say you don't, it's because you haven't done enough self-work, and that's probably the reason why, is you're not aware enough. You need to be more aware of yourself and how you behave in a highly emotional state like trading. Look at this rejection over here, you guys. John, what's your name in the are you in the Discord, John? Okay, so it did break above here, you guys. It did break above here. So I'll show you what I'll be looking at, you guys. Now that we've got more clean range here. See this candle right here, this red candle? I need exactly that printed. I need a bit of support formed up here now. And I'll look at taking an impulse buy up. So I need to wait for this 15 to close. If this 15 closes exactly like that, I'll take a buy. You miss a trade and it goes to the moon, yeah. Yes, this is John. John, let me pull up the Discord over here. Oh, John, yes. John, yeah, you got some pretty good analysis over here. So let's have a look at John's analysis. Okay, so you took this buy. John, so you said in the Discord as well, guys, you got to get in the Discord. There's some good traders here. John said that he typically trades a different style, but he said in the London stream, he's going to essentially do the way that I trade, which is breakouts. And you took the exact trade that I said I was going to take, but I said I'm gonna stand down for this one. But John obviously took it and took an excellent trade there. And also called out some other areas over here. Called out some rejection zones quite well. Look at this. John called out this rejection zone here. So we've just tapped into that now. Very interesting. So let's see what happens over here. I'm not in the Discord. Jump in the Discord, brother. It's in my bio over there on TikTok. And every Sunday we'll be jumping on a live Zoom webinar together and running the simulator and just getting some work done on the Sunday so we can move into Monday, the new week, sharp as an arrow. His analysis are pretty good, Dan. Yeah, Dillawa, John's... Oh, did my camera just flip over there? What the hell? Bro, is my camera flipped? Am I upside down right now? What the fuck? How is that possible? How did that just happen? Oh my god. Like, how did that actually happen? Let me fix that. Very weird. Alright, sorry TikTok, I'll fix it in a sec over there. Whoop. Oh, I don't know what's going on over here. Let me fix this TikTok one. Rotate. Rotate. Whoop. Okay, something like that. Anyway, that was weird. How did that happen, bro? I have no idea. You sound stressed. I'll be honest. I'm a bit stressed based on some technical issues. I've got a new setup today, and I haven't set it up properly. And I quickly jumped on stream, and I didn't set it up properly, to be honest. So I'll be honest. I'm a bit stressed. All the likes are top heavy. 13k likes over here, you guys. Are you in TikTok Studio? Yeah. What scanner do you use? My brain. Oh, Wayne over here in the YouTube chat caught 72 pips there. Nice stuff, bro. Good stuff. The markets are hacking me. Yeah, legit. And you guys, if you send something in the Discord, some analysis, try to put some text on it. Like, try to make it pretty clear that I can really like see exactly what it is you're looking at, like what you're thinking and where you entered or whatever. Yeah, these layouts are weird now. I'll fix it tomorrow. That's a 6 scanner. Also, I need to learn this. Show up every day, chill out. Show up every day, my dude. Kyle in, there's not much. The market moved up pretty aggressively over here. Got some cats dropping some analysis over here in the Discord. So, yeah, we're just waiting for an opportunity over here now. Bog, is this gold? Oh, this is a different setup you had. When was that? Was that earlier today? Liquidity and FVG, is that enough to look at? Don't look at that at all. Just look at price action. Candlestick closures, candlestick patterns, candlestick, candlestick, candlestick. Everything you need to know about the markets is in this weird bar thing right here. Everything. Look at my chart. It's naked. I have a line across here, and that is just for the chat. Like, that's just for people to know what I'm looking at. I would actually probably have that anyway, but yeah, that's all. You guys, I'm waiting for this candle to close. So I need, see how I have this zone up here? I said buy above this zone. So what happened? A candle broke out above that zone. Cool. I'm in a bit of business here now. But because it's moved up so green without creating any support first, I need this candle to close red, but close red outside of this zone. And then after that, if the next candle can wick down and flip, I'll take an impulse buy about there. So I can't do anything until this candle prints, and I need it to print red as well. And I need it to print red above this zone as well. Like if this closes down below where it is now, I can't take it now because it's broken back into the zone, into the range. But I need to reject up and close small body above the breakout zone. That's personally what I'm looking at over there, you guys. So I've got 6.5 minutes over here for this candle closure, so we'll see what can happen. Do you have daily profit? I don't know. No one has daily profit, but I do profit sometimes. I'm in profit this week. Yippee! I'm trying to withdraw, but I need to do one more day of $150 profit. Is this full-time? No, it's not full-time. I have a full-time job, but I show up here every day. Every day. Someone said over here, profit target. Bro, look how clean the range is to the left-hand side. So let's zoom out a little bit and see, is it, oh my God, you guys. This is clean, you guys. Like if we get it set up here, this is clean. My only reservation is that it hasn't had a pullback all day, really. Like I had a little bit there. Like we had a little bit of a pullback here. But god damn, it's clean, you guys. So like I said, I need that red candle printed. And if it doesn't, whatever. Does this change your life? Does trading change your life, as in me, or like anyone's life, like people that get into it? Every day, bruh. To this day. Do you use a 15 chart for analysis? Yeah, I use a 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Are you religious, dude? The older I get, the more I would say I'm moving closer to God, to be brutally honest. No one knows that, but yeah, if I'm asked, yeah, I think I'm moving that direction. I'm not religious in the sense that I obviously don't abide by a lot of the things, but I'm trying to move closer in that direction. Yes, everyone's life. Well, it's Ren. Think about it like this. In order for something to change your life in a financial setting, you know, you're thinking like life-changing money. In order to make life-changing money through trading, it's going to take time. And initially, you're probably going to have to give money to the markets first. So it's life-changing money if you can dedicate the time, effort, and energy to learn the skill set and improve the skill set, then I'm sure it can be. Hi, can I enter a buy now? Stick to your analysis. Are you vegan, dude? No, that's an insult. Do I look vegan? Ugh. You got to train, my guys. My Discord, everyone here is shredded. What kind of questions are these? Bog, you should really try to sit down and write some stuff down about why you're break even. Like really be real with yourself. Like, what is it? Am I getting emotional when I take a loss? Am I overtrading? Am I like, figure it out? There's something there you really need to figure it out, my dude. If you're at being at the break even stage is the best place you can be, because mentally, you know, all I need to do is tweak one thing, and I can be a profitable trader. That's insane. Do you know how long it takes to get to that point? Can you explain your strategy? I remember you said it with a 15. Just marking out key zones, waiting for breakouts above or below zones, waiting for retests. I have a few different kind of setups, but yeah. I'll explain it as it goes. Just seen your video passing your funded. Congrats, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I'm close to getting my first payout on that one as well. Wow, look at this volume over here. Dude, your bicep curl weight. We have the same biceps. I'm a female. I don't know. I used to be a bodybuilder. I used to compete in bodybuilding competitions and stuff. But now I'm natural and just chilling. Stay consistent. Your live in your Discord has helped me stay consistent to hone in the price action skills. Thanks, bro. Oh, that's amazing, John. Yeah, awesome, bro. It sounds like you're sounds like you're onto it as well. So that's awesome, bro. Are you in a buy? No, brother. I was waiting for this candle to print red before I potentially. Do you mentor, bro? I wouldn't say I mentor, but I have a Discord and we all work on shit together. Especially on a Sunday, we'll get all together on a webinar and run through some simulation software. How much do you make per month with trading? I don't know. Not much. I like how clean your way of analysis. Yeah, super clean, super chill. It's all good. Cleans the way. Camellia, oh, you deleted your messages. Amen, bro. Grass fed. Callum, what up, my G? I've lost a lot and still trying to keep up and learn. I've tried even signals, but that's no-go. Yeah, of course signals are a no-go. You're better off going to the casino. You're better off going to the casino. What kind of car will you buy with your first payout? Definitely not thinking like that. Yeah, you're not gonna, brother, you're not gonna find profit with. You've got to think. I don't know how you guys lose so much money. Like, you should be doing cheap funded challenges. Really, you should be doing cheap funded challenges where there's a strict parameter of rules that you need to stick to, and just challenge yourself. Can I pass this challenge? Do I have enough discipline to pass a challenge? Can I really just stick to a strict set of rules and pass a fucking challenge? You shouldn't be playing with real money. You don't need to. You don't need to play with hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Prove to yourself, build the confidence. Like, buy a 5K challenge and pass it. What's that going to do for your confidence, do you think? You're not going to want to go back to degenerate trading after that, because you know when you stick to your rules and you can actually pass a challenge by sticking to a strict set of rules, that it's like, this feels good. This feels like the person I want to be, not the degenerate. I just gave fuck history. I just gave 2.5k to the market in the last 10 days, but I believe time is near when I'll be able to make a full-time income. History. I just went on a rant about this. I think you should stop putting in real cash, brother. Just build some confidence with a cheap challenge, brother. Build some confidence with a cheap challenge. Please, bro. Okay, let's have a look over here. You guys, if you're not in the Discord, there's a link in my bio over here. Some cats are dropping some knowledge over here as well. After this high, break above means price is likely to retest. Okay, so you're looking at a break above as well. So look at this, you guys. Remember what I said I was waiting for? I needed this candle to flip red. It shot up again, but closed small body green, which indicates that we're losing a bit of volume over here. Let's see. I'll tell you when I'll take a sell. If this next candle can flip like this and close back into the range here, next one wick up and push, I'll look at taking a sell there. I think that would be a good idea over there. Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok. Can you show your trade setup and analysis? Well, I can't show you my trade setup until I actually take a trade. So what I'm going to do here now, I might move this real quick and just put this here for now. Oops. Because I can't look at buys until a bit of support's been formed. and no support's been formed yet. We're just kind of floating right now. Would you say that break even can also be a harder phase too? I say this as, how do you know what to change when you are right 50% of the time or wrong 50% of the time? Because this is an incredible question. And I'm going to call you out a little bit here. I'm not going to call you out, but I want to say something. You're not at break even because your strategy and system is 50-50. You're at break even because of you. You're doing emotional things that you're not facing in the mirror yet. You're over trading, or you're over leveraging, or you're getting too emotional. You're not doing it because your system is 50-50. You're doing it because there's things that you as the individual with the emotional and the heart and the organicness is doing that's holding you back from being out of break even. So it's going to be a matter, and I've done this plenty of times. I've had to sit down and be like, you're an idiot, you just blew another account. What are you doing? Let me really sit back and think. Well, I know what I'm doing. I blow accounts and I do dumb shit when I trade that's not in accordance to my strategy. It's that simple. Which means I get emotional after a loss and I revenge trade. I take another trade when I know I should just call it a day. What happens then? I lose. And now I lose twice, and you know what I mean? You spiral. So it's not because the system isn't working, it's because you as the person are still making emotional flaws. 15 candle have some little red candle. Yeah, 15 candle, like the 5 candle has some red candles. Only the 15 matter. Exactly. Yep. Well, thank you for the gifts over there, you guys. Yeah, it's just the 5 minute, the red candles that print on a 5 is not enough strong confirmation for me. I don't even look at it. If anything, because it just stuffs in my head if I look at it. I start thinking too much when I know it doesn't matter. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok. No name. Hey, you guys on TikTok, I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. It's a full screen. It's way better. It's where all the cool kids are at. All of them. Like, look at the chat over here, you guys on TikTok. I had the pleasure of joining Nick's live stream last night, and wow, what a experience. Win trade. Oh, nice. Okay. I just pick a different stock when I take a bad trade and it's like starting a new day. No, I call cap on that. That's not true. Because you're moving into just a different set of candles, really. Like if that triggered you in such an emotional state where you're like, I've got to move to a different chart now. You want to go in just clean, like clean mind, just nonchalant, right? And if you do something that triggers, like you know, maybe you start to clench your fists, like your toes a little bit, and maybe you're holding your breath a little bit, and your heart rate's increasing a little bit, right? Just call it a day. Just take one L and call it a day, because guys, all right, fuck it. 90% of traders lose. 90% of traders lose, and it's because of dumb thinking. It really is. People don't like to face the fact that you do dumb shit on the charts. Like, why not just face it? Why not just say to yourself, bro, I'm an idiot. Like, I do dumb trades and I've got to stop. Why do people always want to act like it's your system? It's not your system, it's you. It's not your system, it's you. People don't like to feel like, you don't want to take the burden, like you don't want to take the responsibility that maybe I'm the reason that I'm not profitable. It's you. It's not your system. That's all right, John. I'm just spamming it, but I appreciate that, brother. Nah, I'm just spamming it. Daniel, your YouTube channel name, Daniel Holmes Trades. Chill out. Agree. Thanks, brother. Pleasure, brother. Hi from Honduras. Hey, brother. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Jackie. No, Jackino. I've passed a 10k once, got a payout, and even made 3k with my live, but coming strong about 10k now, both $40 thanks to Black. Ah, nice history. Yeah, that's a go, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. What is some sort of resistance? Is it resistance? Wait, what? That didn't make sense. All right, what's going on? You guys, hang on. Let me... Oops. I'll leave it there. It's all good. Gold can be unpredictable, you know, but I disagree. I think it's pretty just... Like, price action in general is unpredictable. Like, you never know, ever. You never know what's going to happen, but... People get scared of gold. I don't understand. Like, I think it moves beautifully. But maybe that's because you don't look at it enough. Like, I look at other pairs and I think that. I look at other pairs and I'm like, bro, how does this seem just unpredictable? I think it's just time on the chart. Which funded account do you recommend? They're all the same. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Uzma. Are you going to wait for that candle to close below resistance? Ideally. I'm going to watch. I'm going to see what happens over here. I'm going to see what happens over here. Because it could come down. So check this out, you guys. I'll draw something here. Let's say this candle does something like this. Right? The next candle opens up, does something like this. The following candle opens up, does something like this. I would look at taking an impulse buy there, anticipating a continuation up, right? It's come up, retested, bounced, the candles have closed, and I've got confirmation to continue up in an uptrend. I would also look at something like that. So I'll leave the thing that says sells below, but I am looking at a couple different things. But you constantly, like, this is why I say people that say they trade London, they move into the New York session. I'm like, I can only trade London because although it doesn't look like much, I'm talking to the chart. I'm constantly watching the charts and just seeing how candles are printing. And in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, if this prints like this, I'll do this. And, you're constantly assessing what setup could arise and how you're going to attack it. And believe it or not, when you're using money and there's, real shit on the line, it is quite mentally fatiguing. Okay, you are a good mentor. Black Queen, you are a good... you are a good... Black Queen. There, I said it. You guys, if you're not in the Discord, jump out of the Discord. We've got some good traders in here dropping some analysis and we'll try to crush it together over here. So we've got 4.5 minutes over here for this candle closure. Amine, hello to you. Hey, Hasib, what is up, G? Jack Cannon, well, beginner trader here. What's the story with your sell below and buy above chart? I'll tell you when this candle moves close to that range, Jack, because things can change as the candles approach zone. So I'm potentially looking at a sell below if the candle closes below that zone, but I'm also potentially looking for a buy if it bounces off it. Yeah, and also, here's another thing. So thank you for bringing that to my attention there, Wayne. If this candle here flips red, if this closes red here, you guys, I might actually look for a sell. Let me just flick through some of these time frames. When is... 4-hour close in half an hour over here. Interesting. Let's look to the left. What's on to the left over here? Interesting. 1 hour. My only reservation is that 1 hour is previous was a very strong candle. But another thing that's in my favor in terms of confluences is we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green 1 hour candles, and it's just a probability game. Like, what are the probability of there being 8, 9? Yeah, it can happen, but I think the probability starts to lower as well. Let's see over here. Have you ever looked at the market maker strategy? No. Special K, what up? I haven't seen your name in here in a while. True mental fatigue will screw you. Yeah, 100%. Do you give signals? Oh, I'm just trade live. You can call it a signal if you want, but definitely don't give signals, no. You're a new subscriber on YouTube. Ah, amazing, Mohammed. Thank you, brother. Thank you over there. That's why we're a community of like-minded dudes. Exactly. Exactly. Damn, TikTok spamming some of these follows over there. Thank you, you guys. Which platform do you use to analyze TradingView? Do you use a robot? I am a robot. Pushing 20k. Oh my god, I am pushing 20k likes. Wow, thank you, you guys over there on TikTok. Insane. Ah, Special K, you're off to the freaking Bahamas over there. All right, so I've got 2 minutes over here. I wonder if this can flip red. I'm actually, to be brutally honest, I would actually rather this to not close red and close small body green. The next one to wick up or whatever, and close small body red. And then the one after that, I will take a sell on. But if this does flip red, it still could be interesting over here. Callum at work trading and watching. 200 people live on TikTok. I know, bro. Wild stuff over here. Got 33 people on YouTube over here. You guys on TikTok, it's better on YouTube, but done. 20k, 21k there. Boom. You guys are nuts. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kieran, hey, I'm new here and can't wait to walk along the way with you. Ah, amazing. Thank you for being here. Drop a subscribe if you're not ready. If you're not, yeah, I'll be live here every day. And let's trade together and crush this shit, right? That's what it's all about. This is a 30-minute closure as well, you guys. This is a 30-minute closure as well. The bodies are getting smaller on the 15-minute time frame. Do you do futures? Yeah, I do futures and forex. So the good thing about this, the bodies are getting smaller on the 15-minute time frame. The 30 is about to close, smaller body. I like the way this looks. My only thing that's not in my favor is the fact that the 4-hour closed in 30 minutes. So if this next 15 can close red, this could be a juicy sell for me. Right. Are we doing a sim session this weekend? Absolutely, Wayne. Yep. You guys, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord on Sunday. We'll do a simulation session, get everyone together on a Zoom there. And keep the tools sharp over there. There's a link in my bio on TikTok there. So very interesting. Like, it's very obvious that these candle bodies are getting smaller over here. I would on Saturday or Sunday. Dillawa, did we do it on Sunday or Saturday last time? Why do I keep saying Sunday? I would join on a Sunday. Yeah. Can't wait, super pumped. Okay, amazing, you guys. We did Sat. Yeah. I think Sunday might be better. I don't know. What do you guys reckon? Would you rather a Saturday or a Sunday? 6 p.m. Brisbane time. Yeah, exactly. I had to trade gold like the chance. Well, Sunday is better. Yeah, I think Sunday might be better as well. You don't mind it? Okay. We've had a day away from the charts on a Saturday, and Sunday we can kind of like, you might start getting a bit like, all right, I'm getting G'd up again. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, you guys. Everybody, the sim session is worth gold. Thanks, says Wayne over here. Yeah, you guys. Sunday, it's going to be awesome. Where would you place your stop loss? Above the wicks? Exactly, brother. Exactly. But I'm going to need to see a red candle printed before I can do anything. Sunday better to get a break from this? Yeah, exactly. I think Sunday's the best for sure. Yeah, you guys are all saying Sunday here. Yeah. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok. Bamboo Beats. Bamboo Beats. Bamboo Beats. So if this were to close like that, take the next one, that means the 4 hour would reject quite a lot. Is there any... It's kind of tapped into these other 4 hour rejection zones over here. We'll see. Yep, I think we could have something over here. That'd be pretty cool. Are you going to move the sell zone up a bit? Yeah, this sell zone's... I should take this away. It's going to confuse people. I'm going to take this away for the time being. People are going to... Yeah, I'm going to take that away for the time being. And... because really, check this out. It's not like an actual price point. Like, it's not a range anymore. It's just wherever this candle can close. Like, if it closed like that and wicks up, and the next one wicks up, and I'll be taking the sell there type shit. That's if it closes red. What's your average drawdown? Not much. Like, ideally not much. I'll usually have maximum 20 pip stop loss limit. And if it starts to look ugly relatively quick, I'll straight away take 50% off and then probably close it before it even hits stop. I know your Discord is free. You have Black Friday discount. My Black Friday discount is there every day. It's free. The free discount. Where did you buy it at? Well, I would have bought it out there. Some of the other cats did. I said I'm going to stand by for this one just because the range to the left was too messy. But yeah, some of these other lads caught a really nice trade there. Stop anticipating sells. Yeah, you might be right. It's just because it's the only reason I'm saying that is because based on this current structure is that would be the next closest trade setup that I would be looking at if it flips red. If it doesn't, then I'll have to wait around for a bit longer. So I'm only stuck on that because that's the next closest trade that I would take. Hi Daniel, 400 subs on YouTube now. Congrats. Oh, amazing. I can't see that. So it's at 400 now. Incredible. Thank you, you guys over there on YouTube. Amazing. Amazing. I hate drawdown. Yeah, I know it sucks, but it's just a part of the game. You're probably going to just have to get used to it. Go into the trade thinking you're already going to lose. Honestly, I know it sounds dramatic and it's like, no one does that. I literally go in and just imagine like, I'm already going to lose this trade. I'm going to be stuck in drawdown. Just mentally accept it now and you're all good. Like, you're not all good, but like it helps you. And if you are in drawdown, pay attention to your physiology. Don't make sure, like think, am I holding my breath right now? Am I crunchy? Like, am I squeezing my toes together? Am I tensing up a little bit? Am I fidgety? Just try to chill, breathe. All right, I'm in drawdown, whatever. I know, according to my plan, that if I hit this point, I'm going to take off 50%. If it still looks ugly, I'm just going to close it, type shit. Like, have a plan already, like, if it does happen. Because there's a high probability you're going to be in drawdown most of the time. Like, in a lot of trades, it's going to maybe dance around and put you in drawdown for a bit. Oh wow, you're trading the value of your boyfriend's AP watch. Okay. When you're in drawdown, you miss obvious signs. Do you mean obvious signs of get out of the trade? Price is sideways now. Yeah, it's starting to slow down. Looks like momentum is starting to slow down a little bit. So we're going to try to potentially capitalize. Well, I am potentially going to try to capitalize on that and catch a little bit of a pullback. Yeah, that's true. That's true what he said there with the drawdown. What do you think about threshold? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that, my dude? What's a TP for sells? Good question. I know. So here's the thing. The reason why I don't typically think about TP and things like that is because I know around 15 pips, I'm going to look to take off 85% anyway, unless it's super clean range to the left-hand side. So straight away, I already know my TP is going to be around 15 pips. I'm going to take off 85%. But I can see right here to the left-hand side, there's a bit of shit here that it's probably going to have a bit of potential issues getting past. So let me measure what that range is to there. If I took a sell somewhere, let's say around here, it's 15 pips, exactly. So I'll take 85% right there and let the rest run. Just like I would have done on the way up here. When that came up, I said it would take off 85% here at 15 pips and let the rest run. That's exactly what it did. And I would let the rest run. I don't think it's going to come... who knows? Who knows? We'll see. Manage it while it happens. Sell now, sir. Okay. So yeah, got a couple, 6.5 minutes over here for this candle closure. This candle closure is going to determine everything over here. The RSI on the 15-minute time frame is around 74. Oh, I don't know anything about the RSI and things like that. Okay. Does that mean it's does that mean it's selling? Let's stack all of the indicator confluences. Yo, I made profits on gold minutes ago. I brought gold. Amazing notification. Amazing. Good one. Thanks for the follow there on TikTok, Martins. You are him. You are him. So yeah, like I said before, guys, my only reservation is the fact that the 4-hour closes in 20 minutes. But we'll see. What's the US section? Consolidating now, just wait for the US section. What's the US section? US section. Session. No, why would I do that? We're still fresh. We're only an hour and a half into London. There should be enough volume to get it. I'm not trying to take a trade to the moon. I'm just trying to get a little bit. Just get a little bit. That's all I need. Shouldn't be trading US bank holiday, bro. Well, we should, because look what just happened. A lot of these cats, I called out this trade here. A lot of these cats just took 100 pips. So, there's volume here, you guys. I know a lot of traders, for whatever reason, I know the reason they didn't trade today, but it's moving quite nicely if you ask me. It is moving quite nicely. The only reason I didn't take this trade, I was about to enter it, but I just didn't like the messiness to the left-hand side. But it just punched through it. It's that kind of thing, and that's why I don't like fundamental stuff as well, because it gets in your head. Like, because I said before I said I'm not going to take this trade, is I know we're going to need a lot of volume to punch through messy charts like that. And I thought, oh well, you know, US holiday, maybe there's not going to be enough volume, but there was plenty. Plenty of volume. Fund me, please, said King in the chat. You guys, if this candle here does push up and close green, I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to call it a day if that happens, because for me to wait for another setup, I'm going to have to wait around for at least another hour and candles to print and things like that. And if it rejects here and still flips red, that's even better for me. But yeah, like I said, if it just pushes up and closes green, I'll call it a day. Oh, fund me please, and then said kindly. You have to get a job, my dude. I'm sorry. It sucks, I know. Yeah, well, that would have just, if this does reject that, a lot of people's sell. A lot of people probably took sells when they've seen the weakening of these candles. And they probably just got stopped out there. Isn't it a bank holiday? Yeah, it is. What's wrong with that? How much do you say we start with when starting trading? We'll first learn what trading is, do a couple courses, then don't start with real money, do demo trading. And then once you finish demo trading, do like a cheap prop firm account. Pay for a cheap funded account. Are you considering selling at 2649? Not 2649. Potentially, like where this yellow line is, I was hoping it would flip red back down below there. NFP predictions tomorrow. Is NFP tomorrow? Hang on, what's the date? No way. Bro, how did I not realize that NFP is tomorrow? Shit, I might have to do an NFP stream. No, NFP is not tomorrow, bro. Is it? No, NFP is not tomorrow, bro. Is it? Are you allowed to show money here? I don't think so, bro. I do still. I'm on YouTube right now live, and I show it on YouTube. But I have been banned for 3 days, and I think it was because of that. What is demo trading? Then you still got a lot of... You're still at the very, very early stages there, XX. And I would just get Googling. Get Googling. What is Forex trading? What is, you know, stock trading? What is day trading? How do I get into it? Just start Googling. It's next Friday. Oh, yeah, okay. There you go. What do you do for work instead of trading? I work for a gas company, so I'm a business development manager for a gas company. I like this. I like this if it flips red, because it shows me that it tried to go up there. Maybe, you know, I'm not the biggest liquidity grab believer guy, but I kind of am a little bit. Like, that's one thing that's kind of stuck with me a little bit is liquidity grabs. Because I did used to be a lower time frame guy and used to trade liquidity grabs. So if this flips red, I'll like it. But if it stays green, I'll call it a day. Why do they ban you for that? I don't know. I think the algorithm just has like an automatic kind of scanner, and it just flagged me. 40 seconds over here for this candle. So there was one good trade here for London. I called it out like I was going to take it, but then cancelled it pretty much last minute. But some of these lads caught it. Really nice trade up there. And we've got 20 seconds here for this candle. Looks like it's going to probably stay green. Exactly, B-Dog, G-Dog. Before Forex, what were you doing? Just a bunch of stuff. I've done a lot of stuff. Personal trainer, real estate, car sales. I've done it all. So there you go, you guys. It just closed up there. The 4-hour closes shortly. For me, I'm going to have to wait for like candles to print and things like this. And it's going to take like another hour, so I might as well just call it a day. You know, we tried to give it a crack. Good setup, good call there. Some of the guys talk it. I stood down for this one, but it was all right. I learn something new every time I join the live. Amazing. I love that. If you guys aren't in the Discord, join the Discord over here. It's in my bio on TikTok. And love you guys. I'm going to call it a day here, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow if you're around. See you, gang. See you, gang. See you, gang.